Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a quick tip video. We're going to be replacing our engine air filter on a 2022 Toyota Tacoma with a 2.7 liter, I believe. It's going to be pretty quick, simple, and short. So with that said, let's go and get started on today's video. Before we do so, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. Definitely smash that like button because it helps the channel out. So this video is going to be pretty quick and simple. You're going to open up your engine bay. This is your engine air box. And what you're going to want to do is lift up on your first clasp and then on your second clasp right there. And what you can do from that point on is go ahead and lift up on your cover and go ahead and take it out. Now these actually give you ample room. They're not too difficult. You can see the filter is there. What I do is go ahead and grab my filter, remove it out of there. Now one thing to check inside your air box is make sure there's no dirt or debris or leaves. We don't have any of that, so we're gonna take our old filter and we're just gonna go ahead and throw that one away. And then we're going to take our new filter and we're just going to replace it. Just goes in just like so. Now our air box slides into these little tabs that we have in the rear. Now unfortunately I can't fit the camera in there, but as long as you kind of interlock it, it's like a square peg. You line it up there. Once you put that into place, you're going to go ahead and put your first clasp on there and then your second clasp, and your filter is replaced. It's actually really simple. This is one of the few easy filters to replace on this particular vehicle with this 2.7 liter engine. And it's a nice, quick, easy maintenance to make sure your car lasts. So make sure you're checking your air filter. And if you need to replace it, hopefully this video helps you out. So with that said, hopefully everyone enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe because it definitely helps the channel grow. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you on the next video.